Okay, now that you've made a extrusion that's from a rectangle, we're going to try to make another feature. Okay, so a way to turn this feature is to middle click, hold middle click, and then move the mouse, and you can rotate it around. Okay, or if you want to change views, you can come up here and click this button. And this is a way to look at the front view. If you look at these boxes, if you notice the blue side of the box is the side that you'll be looking down on. Okay, so that's just an easy way to flip your views. Or this one, we'll call this an isometric view. Okay, so let's make another extrude, and this time we're going to select a face. So we're picking the face instead of a plane. Now let's take the circle feature, and now we'll just click one point and we'll drag it, and that'll be the diameter. So we're going to click Smart Dimension again, and we'll make this, let's just call this 2 inches. Okay, so now we want to look at the top view of this. So there's two ways we can do that. We can click on this one. This is called the normal view. So this will be straight on with the view that we're looking at, the sketch that we're in. Or let's say we were making this view again, and we know that this is on the top side of the part. We can click here and click on the top view. So now we're looking straight at it. Okay, so now let's click on Smart Dimension again, and let's dimension it to this line, and let's call it 2 inches again. And again, if you notice this whole thing is blue, we can still drag this and move this around. But if you notice, because we gave it this dimension, we can only drag it up and down. It won't go left or right. Okay, so now let's make this, we'll call this, let's say 3 inches. Okay, so now it's all black. Say OK again, and it's gonna try to extrude it out. If you rotate it, you can see what it looks like. So we can drag this up or down. Let's pick a number, and we'll call this 4. Okay, say OK. And there you have two features. You've got your rectangle extrude, and now you've got a circle extrude. These are called boss features. Okay.